Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix Roblox not launching. So first thing that you will do is just simply go to your start menu over here, and now just simply search for apps, and as you can see, go for apps and features. So guys, from here just simply click on the search bar and search for Roblox. And from here, just click on it and click on uninstall and uninstall the application. And now once you have uninstalled Roblox, just simply go ahead and go to your start menu again and search for CMD and click on command prompt. And from here guys, just simply type in cd space app data slash local and enter. And from here, just type in rmdir space slash s space roblox. And now enter. And from here, just type on Y and enter. And from here, just simply go for exit. And after that, guys, once you have done that, you have completely removed Roblox into your PC. And from here, guys, just simply open up a web browser and go to roblox.com/download. And from here, just click on download Windows app over here. And after that, guys, just simply open the application, and from there it will automatically install into your PC. And from here you'll be able to fix this issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any question, just comment down below and we'll try our best to answer your question. And thanks for watching. See ya.